Hello and welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. Today we are going to install and run Qwen 3.5 2 billion locally. So Qwen released 4 new Qwen 3.5 small models and these are 0.8 billion, 2 billion, 4 billion and 9 billion. So today we will be running 2 billion parameter model. And this is the performance graph of Qwen model. So it is performing very well on different benchmarks. Built on the Qwen 3.5 foundation, these models offer everything from fast lightweight option of built on Qwen 3.5 foundation. These models offer everything from fast lightweight options for edge devices to the compact yet powerful 9 billion. Base models are also available to fuel search and innovation. So let's download this model and go to this website and click on use model. So this is available for transformers, Qweb, Kaggle, VLLM and SGLang. I will be using the quantized model on LM Studio. So this is available for LM Studio as well. I'll click on the 16-bit and it is 3.76 GB. I will click here, use this model and click on LM Studio. So this will open the LM Studio and we are downloading it and it's 5.10 GB. Qwen 3.5 2 billion BF16 model. Click on download and download is in progress. It's going to take around 9 minutes. So I'll come back after the completion of download. Model is downloaded successfully and it is unsloth Qwen 3.5 2 billion GGUF BF16. Now click here to load the model. Model successfully loaded and this is the vision model and we can ask copy it and go to the studio and what is in this model in this image and ask. So this image shows a model card for AI model Qwen 3.5 developed by Unsloth, hosted on what appears to be Hugging Face, and here is background of model identity. Model name is Qwen 3.5 and developer owner Unsloth, an open source community project focused on making large models accessible and fine-tuned locally. Apache 2.0 license and technical features is text to image to text architecture, image to text architecture, transformers as the underlying neural network backbone, GGUF format, a compressed optimized binary file format for running LM, GGUF format, a compressed optimized binary file format for running LLMs on consumer hardware like GPUs with limited VRAM, and purpose is to run Qwen 3 locally. Read our guide and indicates this. So this is a very good model, very good vision model which described this image very well. Let's try some other image. What is in this image? It's really very fast. This image featured two adorable golden retriever puppies sitting side by side on grassy field scattered with bright orange flowers, likely marigolds or similar wildflowers, but both pups are looking directly at the camera with happy open mouth game in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It quickly created this code. You can see it is creating the code. This model is really fast. This model is running on my RTX 5060 Ti 16 GB model, and it is using around half of the memory. Let's copy this code and let's copy the code and then update into Visual Studio ID and update this code and try to run it. So let me run it with a browser. Although this game is not complete. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.